With the kids cooking. What we cooking tonight? Curry chicken?
Yeah. Yes.
Alright, what y'all cutting up?
I'm cutting up potatoes.
You got potatoes going? Alright, cool. What you got going over there? You got potatoes too?
Yes, channing them.
Alright. And after this, then what's next?
Then I'm going to cut some onions.
Onions?
Yes.
Alright, cool. That's what's up.
We're waiting for more ingredients coming from the store.
Alright, y'all heard it here. So, what a day for a daydream. Used to working this camera, boy, working. Oh yeah.
So much.
Why is you in my kitchen, huh? Why is yo? Out. Thank you very much, sir. All in my kitchen, man. What's up with that? This is not kitchen for pets. Alright, what's the next part? We're heading
Step number 2. Get an onion in a plate.
Onion in a plate. Any kind of onion or any specific color?
A white onion.
White onion? Okay, yeah, white onion is sweeter in case y'all didn't know that. Red one's got more of a hot spice to it.
Okay, so we're going to be starting the next one soon. And your eyes.
Never put on the video when you're doing that. Max effects. Warning, eyes may burn. Chicken, y'all don't know what kind of chicken y'all got? What's that? Oh man, that's chicken breast.
Chicken breast.
Hey, you gotta know your meats. You gotta know your stuff.
So today, we're gonna cut the fat off of the chicken breast. And once we finish, we're gonna tell you what next. We can't tell you what now because we want a different step. I know y'all want to step, but I can't. And chicken breast is real thick.
Real thick?
Yes.
Y'all need better knives, man. Y'all got crappy knives. Yeah.
It's big fat.
If your mom signs you up. I'm going to enter.
Stop.
Of course I have what it takes more than you to. Sign up.
Okay, so right now we're gonna season the chicken. So we got Slap Your Mama, garlic powder, onion powder, and ground cumin. And we have paprika. We got turmeric, ground turmeric, and we got curry powder, and we got masala. So now we're gonna do a little Slap Your Mama. Cause Slap Your Mama is so good. You wanna slap your mama, but don't slap your mama cause you're gonna go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we're going to mix. Give a big butt slip.
He said it's not the cousin. That's what it's I give to him.
Okay. Let me see this meat. Yeah, flip it. flip it over. We let our put our stove on 7. You need to let it heat up. Then you're gonna need extra virgin olive oil. We pour it in and make 2 big circles. See? Then I am gonna get the onions we cut up in the second part. Pour them in here, like so. Make sure you get all of them mostly. Get all of them that you can. Then I'm gonna mix them and wait till somebody comes. But watch your arms, cause they're gonna be popping. Watch it. So next, we're gonna put the garlic. And we're gonna put 2 scoops and a half. 2 scoops and 1.5 scoop. That's 1. Two. 1.5.
Little bit more.
That's good. That's good.
Okay.
Don't think I did it right. We letting it saute. Then so I'm just gonna keep mixing it. But you're gonna know it's done because your onions gonna turn brown. So why not? Okay, so now the onions is all browned up. So next we're gonna put the chicken breast inside. Then once it's done, you put all the chicken in there, put it on high. But now, since our onions is brown and we put our chicken in there, we're gonna need to put some coconut milk,